Guys, I'm going to show you a new application tool that can be used with FastFlash. What we have is a spreader tip that can be cut down to control the width of the material that's applied out of it. It basically comes out in a band. So depending on what you need on the face of the sheathing versus the rough opening, you can cut it to corresponding notches to control the width of the material. I want to have 4 inches on the face, so I'm going to cut the tip down to a 4-inch opening, which I've already done. And I'll apply the material now and show you how it works. In the rough opening, I don't actually want 4 inches of material. I want to have it a little bit less. So I'm going to cut the tip. I'm going to cut a second tip at 3.5 inches so material doesn't flow over the edge. I want to show you another application for this new spreader tip. We've already gone through the FastFlash application in the rough opening, but these are also greatly utilized in the field for going over seams. They naturally have a 2-inch opening, and our joint seam field application over seams calls for a 2-inch width band, 1 inch above and 1 inch below the seams. So it just makes it very easy and simple to apply 1 bead of material over the seam. Then you'll knock it down with either your metal broad knife or one of the Bondo spatulas that we supply to the end users. So I'm going to go ahead and use it for you. I do hold the gun perpendicular to the surface and applies a nice uniform bead of material. The tip addresses 2 things. It gives you joint width at 2 inches standard, and then it also deals with thickness. It applies a very consistent bead of material. To double check that though, we're going to use a mill gauge and show you that we're in between 20 and 30 mils. There's 30. Let the tip off. There's 25. So double check it here and there, but it's a very easy, consistent application.